Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'll give a short introduction about my channel and like how and why I started it and what I'll be doing in my forthcoming videos. Also we'll do a short demo on the project that we'll be doing in our next video series, so stay tuned. Alright, I'm Kusal Singh and currently I'm studying computer science at St. Cloud University, Minnesota. Meanwhile, I'm doing my internship as a software engineer for almost a year now. Alright, before I dive into the demo, a little bit about the current situation out here. I know coronavirus has hit hard all over the world. I hope everybody is safe and sound and staying in quarantine. Huge shout out to all the doctors and nurses all over the world. Even my two sisters are nurses. I'm really proud of them for what they are doing. So yeah, let's do our job and stay at home. Look, I've been in quarantine since the first week of March, and I got so bored. And I was like, why not turn this pandemic into some blessing in disguise? And then I decided to make YouTube videos. So today I've come up with a series of YouTube videos on coding challenges and solutions. So in the future I'm planning to continue doing such videos, and as well as maybe videos on interview questions that was asked, my experience and all the challenges and solutions and everything on public demand. Like a little backstory: when I first started my bachelor's degree in computer science, I was a rookie and new to programming. Little did I know about the HTML, but it's not even a programming language. Honestly, I didn't even know why I joined computer science major at the first place. If you don't know what you are doing, then nobody will. So ask questions and try to find answers by yourself. I was halfway through my first semester and I was seriously failing my primary CS level courses. I was lost, like lost. I used to copy my friend's project, Nepalioni. My professor used to ask me, if I have any questions, if you could help with the course in any ways. I don't know. I didn't even know what the problem was, what questions to ask. I mean, I can ask him to do my project and homework, can I? I knew I was failing and I knew why I was failing. I mean, straight up, I didn't have basic knowledge about the programming language, I didn't understand any of it. Nope. So I asked question, why can't I understand? Like, is it really hard not to understand? Like, it's not a rocket science, is it? Have I given enough time for this? Or practice hard enough? No. Somebody says it's not enough to just work hard. Become the hardest working person, So it was about time now. I put myself in, work my A off. I was kind of ready to do all of it. Also, I was in a good company of my seniors that really helped me push forward. So during my sophomore year, I was kind of ready to do my project myself. I mean, most of it. That was positive. So at this point, I would understand what the code was doing and what I was doing. I had a clear picture of all of it. So I started applying for internship. I applied for hundreds of internships and got back from like 5 to 10 companies because no strong resume. One, not enough experience on my plate. Two, no individual project or contributions. That year I got back from IBM for a coding challenge interview for the front-end developer position, and they asked me to build a to-do list application, just adding few more lines of code and new logic to the existing project. So in the to-do list application, you just add a new function for adding new list or deleting or so on and so forth. Of course, I was not able to do that because I was just getting started with my programming languages, but I took that as a positive because I did get an experience out of it. Okay, fast forward now. I look back on my experience and thought it would be a great idea to make videos on those technical questions that I was asked and also their solutions. So here I am today with my brand new channel and brand new videos. The next few videos will be on creating React and TypeScript to-do list application that I was asked to build during one of my interviews. Alright, so here is the demo of the final version of our application that we will be creating together. Alright, this is the final look of the application that we're going to build. So you'll be able to add new list to party and save it in another list. Save. If you want to edit this, click on it. Alright, save. Yep, it's changed to attending marriage. Or you want to delete this whole thing. I hope everybody is as excited as I am to build this application. Let's get it, guys. If you are the beginner or new to programming language, don't worry guys, I know, just get it started with something, something to start off. I have explained everything in detail in the video, so all I want to say is just practice and study hard. And I think this would be an awesome project to include in your resume and show off your skills, and it's never too late. Alright, in few days I'll post all my videos on YouTube, so check back in like 2 to 3 days. Like this video, share it, subscribe. I mean, if you want to stay with me for the long ride, you gotta subscribe, man. They said if you want to go fast, like, go alone, but if you want to go far, go together. Let's go together.